The sun rises over a serene landscape with mist-covered mountains and a calm river. Birds chirp in the background, and the soft rustling of leaves adds to the tranquility of the moment. A troubled young man named Kiran walks through the woods. His face shows deep worry and frustration as he feels overwhelmed by the stresses of daily life. He seeks peace but cannot find it, feeling lost and disconnected from himself. Kiran comes across a small clearing in the forest where Gautam Buddha sits under a large Bodhi tree in deep meditation. The serene energy from Buddha's presence instantly soothes Kiran, though his inner turmoil remains. Kiran kneels before Buddha and says, "I seek peace, but I am tormented by my thoughts and emotions. How can I find peace when my mind is so restless?" Buddha smiles softly and invites Kiran to sit with him. "Peace begins from within," he says. "It is not something you find outside. Let me teach you a meditation known as the Inner Smile Meditation, where you will learn to smile inwardly and bring peace to every part of your being." Buddha guides Kiran to close his eyes and imagine a gentle smile forming in his heart. This smile spreads warmth and love to every part of his body, slowly melting away tension and stress. As Kiran visualizes the smile in his heart, he feels a soft glow, like a golden light, starting to radiate from within, relaxing his mind and body. "Now," Buddha continues, "let this smile move upward, spreading to your face, your eyes, and even your mind. Feel the calmness of your inner smile, soothing your thoughts." Kiran follows Buddha's guidance, and as the smile reaches his face and eyes, his tense expression melts away, his mind becomes quieter, and a deep sense of inner peace begins to settle within him. Buddha instructs, "Let the smile reach the mind, not just the face. As it touches your mind, allow it to ease the constant flow of thoughts. Thoughts will still come and go, but now they will not disturb the peace you feel." Kiran visualizes the smile reaching his mind, and he feels his thoughts slow down. They pass by like clouds in the sky, but they no longer overwhelm him. Buddha speaks again. "This is the essence of the Inner Smile Meditation. It teaches us that peace is not about stopping our thoughts or controlling the world outside, but about finding joy and serenity from within. The more you practice this, the deeper your peace will become." Kiran opens his eyes, feeling lighter, more at ease. He smiles warmly at Buddha, who returns the smile. The forest around them feels more alive, more vibrant, as Kiran's inner transformation reflects in his surroundings. With a heart full of gratitude, Kiran bows to Buddha. "Thank you, wise teacher," he says. "I now understand that peace comes from within. I will continue this practice." Buddha nods and replies, "Remember, the smile you cultivate within can change not only your life, but the lives of those around you. Carry this inner smile wherever you go." Kiran walks away from the Bodhi tree, feeling more centered, knowing that he has learned a powerful tool to face life's challenges. The narrator speaks as the scene fades to a serene landscape. The Inner Smile Meditation is a powerful